This video explains how to install an optional 2100 sheet tray onto a Xerox VersaLink B625 Multifunction printer. The optional 2100 sheet tray adds one high-capacity paper tray to the VersaLink B625 Multifunction printer. It can be tray 2, 3, or 4, but it must be the bottom tray in the stack. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the caster base and remove any packing materials. Lock the wheels to prevent them from moving. Unbox the 2100 sheet tray and remove any packing materials. Lift the 2100 sheet tray and place it on the top of the caster base until it clicks into place. To avoid tipping the printer over, install the tray onto the base first. Do not install the 2100 sheet tray directly to the printer without caster base. Lift the printer and place it on the top of the 2100 sheet tray until it clicks into place. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.